there are some cool quick image editing features in MS Office products. You have a basic cropping function which lets you quickly crop images. You also have the brightness and contrast settings. You also have some recoloring options. And most importantly, you have the remove background feature. Now, let's try to add a picture. As you can see, whenever we try to bring the image forward, we have the white area on the picture not transparent. In order to remove that background, we click Recolor and set transparent color there. Then, you just have to select the color you want removed from your picture. There you go, we now have removed the background from the image.